Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make seafood soup with coconut milk. First, select your favorite fresh seafood such as shrimp, scallops, and a firm white fish. You'll also need aromatic ingredients like fresh ginger, garlic, and a touch of chili for a gentle warmth. The creamy base comes from rich coconut milk, complemented by a good quality broth and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. To build the soup's incredible flavor, begin by gently sautéing your minced ginger, garlic, and chili in a little oil until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, pour in your fish or vegetable broth and let it come to a soft simmer, allowing those aromatic flavors to meld. Finally, stir in the creamy, full-fat coconut milk, ensuring it's well combined for that luxurious texture. Now it's time for the star of the show, the seafood. Start by adding your firm white fish pieces to the simmering broth, letting them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, gently add the shrimp and scallops, cooking them until they are just opaque and pink. Remember, seafood cooks quickly, so be careful not to overcook it to keep it tender and delicious. For the perfect finish, stir in a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice and a handful of vibrant, chopped cilantro. Give your soup a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Perhaps a little more salt or a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Serve your delicious seafood coconut soup hot, garnished with extra fresh herbs and maybe a thin slice of chili for a beautiful presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.